So all the angles in a triangle add up to how many degrees? 180. 180. And you can see that because if we rip them all off, which we did, and we put them all together like a puzzle, they add to 180. They make a line. You're going to glue this down. You're going to glue this down. One person grab a glue stick. Go! Glue it down. Go! Read 6 and 7 with your team. Let's talk about triangle properties. The first thing we saw today was that all the angles in a triangle add to 180. So let's make a little sketch of that. All our angles in a triangle, obtuse or acute, add to 180. So, all angles in a triangle add to 180. And we saw it with an obtuse triangle, and we saw it with an acute triangle in our groups today. That's the first property we're talking about. There's one other one in 6 and 7. Maybe you guys saw it, maybe you didn't. Refocus here. If I have C here, and B here, and A here, and let's just call this exterior angle D, basically that exterior angle will add up to these two ones that are not adjacent to it. Remember, adjacent means next to. So basically the exterior angle of a triangle, the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the two non-adjacent interior angles. And those are the two triangle properties we should have noticed today. Here we go. Let's talk about number one. Number one, you need to find angle C and angle BAD. Any ideas on how we'll find those angles? If I find this one first, I can use the fact that the three angles will add up to 180. How would I find this first one? Right, 180 minus 132.5. Just add them and subtract that from what? Okay, great. Do it. We're going to take 180 minus the two angles that we know, because we know a triangle adds up to 180. Do that now. We'll figure out that angle. What did we get? Oh, you didn't have 49.7. Cool. Do we see how we use the angle relationships to figure that out? Not so bad. The three angles in a triangle add up to 180, and use your line, or you can use the exterior angle theorem. Right now, you're going to do 2, 3, and 4. I think it didn't print. That should be 3, right there. 4 is multiple choice, looking at this image down there. Ready, set, go. 2, 3, and 4, and then you get your homework. You can check your answers to number 2, 3, and 4. And then your homework tonight is this worksheet, numbers 1 through 7.